Hi, this is Shri and Radhika Hirlikar. I'm an architect and she's an IT profession. One of my students, Snehal, she was working here. She was working with Good Earth. So casually discussing with her, she showed us one of the earlier Good Earth. I think Palm Grove or maybe Orchard. And I just casually asked her, why don't I also try to come there? So she says, "Come over. I mean, a new scheme is coming. Something called Malhar footprints. This was the first phase, I thought. So I asked her to send the plans and things like that. So I came over here, spoke to Natasha, and discussed the plan. And we decided to at least give it a try to move to Bangalore. Right from foundation, in fact, before foundation, I started getting involved in our house, designing other furniture layouts and the electrical layouts and the courtyards and what we will have. It was just and I kept on passing these information to the architectural staff here. And slowly, every month, we used to have a couple of visits, both of us, just see the house. I mean, starting from scratch. First stone we saw being laid here. When we used to come here, Natasha was getting involved in having the earth blocks of particular color, and as she was spending so much of time, we were really keen to move into this sustainable community. Slowly we saw the house coming up, and we started giving our inputs also, and sometime in year 2014 we could see our house built and we got the registry. So only one thing brought us here, the sense of community. I mean, we wanted to live in a community area. There, Nasik, we had a bungalows, so everyone is locked up inside, and we spend a lot of time with the kids around. We have a library of almost 2,000 books. So the kids come, the ladies come, they borrow books, they read books, they sit here. I mean, give an option that you don't have to. We had a beautiful space. We have a courtyard. Have a cup of coffee, we can sit here. And so that's how our life is now revolving around in this area. And I really appreciate and congratulate the group, the Good Earth group, to have done such an amazing this thing, because all my relatives and friends who are living in Bangalore, they say this is absolutely unthinkable what you're doing. We have been living here for 20 years and then we even never realized that there's a place like that. I mean, in the costing also is not that expensive. So now slowly, one by one, my relatives are asking, they want to come here. Now I suppose the time is gone. So maybe the new phases come up so they can get involved and all those things. So that's how our life is, my dear.
Good thoughts always bring in good actions, actually. And the main thoughts of Mr. and Mrs. Ipe, I should really appreciate them for this, because they had the best of the thoughts which they had put into actions, and that's how the result is this. So not only us, like us, there are hundreds of couples, those who are really very happy. The vegetables which we get here and the help we get here mainly. You just put a two-liner of a message, either to you are pulled in to go out anywhere at any part of given time, and anything you need, you just put a two-liner. At once there is help always, which was really missing in the places wherever we lived.
Delhi, Nasik. I mean, Delhi, especially we miss everything. Delhi is too large this thing to even think about this thing.
I really appreciate Natasha like anything. There are no words to thank her also. Really, we are totally in gratitude to her, actually. That's what it is.
See, this is a true community living. Yes. I mean, I have been teaching community living in architectural schools. I've been giving lectures on that. And if you really jot down the points, I mean, everything is based on, you have a Mela here and you have a commuters WhatsApp group here. So every early morning you get a message that I'm going to so-and-so place, you want to join, we join. So those things, I mean, think of it, it's a Bangalore, my dear. I mean, I thought that Bangalore means everyone is to himself, they don't talk to each other. I mean, in the sense, true IT city where the apartment doors, if you move into a block, the doors are locked, you don't know what is happening behind this thing, because that's how my other people are living. But here it's absolutely true, like we share vegetables, we have a vegetable garden, so whatever comes we share that, fruits we share that.
I would say Good Earth is one family.
Absolutely.
See, that's what we wanted, and that's what we have got. God has been really kind enough to bless us with such a nice place. Really.
we are both in 60s, so whatever time we have, we would like to really spend the entire life living here. I mean, people ask me, where are you going for holidays? I said, no, you come here for holiday here, my dear. This is a resort, so you can spend time here. So we don't need to go for holidays and all. We spend time, we have a coffee in our garden chair there, we have a breakfast here. We don't need space like a dining table or X or Y. Why? I mean, everything is a space by itself. I don't call the space, this is my bedroom or this is, no, these are spaces. And you utilize it the way you want to. So that's how architecture develops. I mean, it's not that you have this here and this there and you behave like that. Bed is for sleeping. No, please, can be used for anything else. I mean, you have a TV
And the
there.
best thing is they have kept the car parking underground.
Yes.
So you don't have any pollution out here. And secondly, they have
No
even
noise.
thought about a trolley to bring in luggage, because whenever you have a family, obviously you will have luggages time and again. You will have to bring many things inside the house. So they have even thought about that. There is a trolley kept outside so that
Security, everything.
and
Even
the
security is a part of family. I mean, they know each other. We know their names. We know their families, what they are doing. So I mean,
and
it's
mainly the
just like
gardeners, I should
Yeah.
say. The way they help, and even the other helping people and the management people, all are very, very friendly and very helpful, which makes life much easier and very pleasant. Thank you.